stick-on nails. So basically what I did was I ordered some stick-on nails from Etsy. You can also get stick-on nails from Walmart or any other store. They usually have kiss nails, and kiss nails are really nice. I usually wear kiss nails, but today I really wanted to try Etsy nails because they're acrylics. So I'm going to show you how I try to make these nails last for at least 3 to 4 weeks. It is 100% doable, and that way you don't have to spend a lot of money when you go to the nail salon. So these are the items that you'll be needing in order to put on the stick-on nails. I have first and foremost this pair of scissors. So basically what we're going to do is cut our nails down, which I already did. As you can see, my nails are pretty short. We have the rubbing alcohol, which is really important, which we're going to use to dehydrate the nail.
And of course, we're gonna need a cotton pad to apply the rubbing alcohol.
The next thing we'll need is a file. The file is really important. So this file, you can get a bunch of files on Amazon. And so that's where I got this from. And you can see mine's been used because I used it last time. See how it says 120/240? One side is definitely rougher than the other side. Like this side is way more smooth and this side's way more rough. So this side I do use on the top of my nail, and I'll show you how to do that. Try to get a paper towel because when you file the tops of your nails, it will definitely make a mess. So it's nice to have a paper towel. Of course, we need glue. You can get glue from Walmart, honestly, or sometimes when you buy stick-on nails from online, they do provide you with a glue stick.
So altogether, you're gonna need the rubbing alcohol, the cotton pad, some fake nails, and then of course you'll need some glue, a file, a pair of scissors, and cuticle cutters, which I don't have, so I'll show you in the next step how I just push back my cuticle.
The next step is to push the skin back on your nail. So basically you can either do this with your finger, push the extra skin back. Technically you are supposed to cut the skin off, but I actually don't have that, so I literally just push the skin back, and I feel like that works pretty well for me. You can also use the nail itself to push the skin back. So literally I take the nail, push the skin back, because then it's a little bit more uniform when I do that. And it just works a little bit easier for me, and it doesn't hurt as much. Just push it back a little bit. Now I'm just going to use the rubbing alcohol.
The whole point of dehydrating your nail is so that you remove all the excess oils or moisture from your nail, and that way your glue will have better adhesion to the nail.
Okay, so now that step's done, we're gonna move on to the next step. Okay, so now I'm gonna start filing my nails. So I'm gonna start filing my thumb. So I just kind of move my thumb back and forth against the file. So as you can see, compare this thumb to this thumb. And that's kind of the point we're trying to get to. Okay, so see how my nails look really rough right now? Okay, so I have like this big fluffy brush right here I use for my nails. So basically all I do is kind of dust off the excess parts of the nail. So as you can see, I kind of missed these two middle nails at the end. So I'm just going to get that part. So the first nail I want to do is the thumb. So we're gonna put it on here. So first let's get the glue ready. This glue is from my previous nails because I actually put on kiss nails last time I did my nails. So I just wanted to use this up rather than opening a new one. So I'm just gonna be using the kiss glue. So as you can see, I just apply a drop and then I kind of spread it around. And if I need more, then I do add more. So that's the nail. So now I'm gonna apply the first fingernail. So you wanna align it, make sure it's straight. And then once you know it's straight, start pressing down, as you can see. And when I press down, I kind of do this rolling motion so that you can get the glue to stick to the nail from here to here, from one end to the other end. You shouldn't just press the center of the nail. You should press this side as well and this side as well. So try to do the rolling motion for at least 10 to 20 seconds. I say 20 seconds just to be safe, because that's what works for me. So now I'm gonna do my second nail, or third actually. I'm gonna apply this, then press down, and then do the rolling motion. Also be careful when you do the rolling motion, because sometimes you do get the excess glue on the tip of your thumb, and then sometimes it does get on the nail. This side. Look how gorgeous they look. They are really, really long, especially for my hands. The length is gonna be difficult for me because I've never had nails this long. They're normally up to here, like half of what the nail is, so this is really long for me. This is like the ballerina long nails. So now I'm just gonna do my other hand. Also, I'm gonna mention this in the video. When you file your first hand, file the second hand as well, because you don't want to file them with your new nails, especially because you could accidentally get the file on top of your new acrylic nail or stick-on nail, and that could damage the nail. So it's better to just file both of your hands in the beginning, which I forgot to do because of video purposes. I just kind of wanted to record how I did it. Once you do the first hand, the second hand is pretty easy. So this is the result, and as you can see, the nails are so gorgeous. They're so long, so I'll have to get used to long nails for at least a month. So the next step is to wash your hands and put some lotion on. I haven't done that yet. See how on my right hand, this one turned out a little bit crooked. It did not turn out straight, and I tried fixing it. So try not to do that. I wasn't paying attention. I think I was looking at the camera. So this one did turn out a little bit crooked.
So I filmed this on April 5th, and we're going to try to make these nails last until May 3rd, which is a month from now. As you can see, I filed them down a lot. They were actually much longer. I also filed the edges, as you can see, so that it suits my finger shape a little bit better. So now I'll add in the updates, and then I'll see you guys next time. This is the update for my nails. I'm gonna show you that I'm being honest by showing you the date. It is April 20th today. So today is April 20th, and I'll show you guys when I filmed this video. So as you can see, I filmed the nail video on April 5th at 2 o'clock. Just so you guys know I'm not lying. I'm definitely gonna have to file these because they look a mess right now. But other than that, my nails are also growing out, which you can see at my cuticles. They're growing out. Also, as you can see, I lost one of my nails on my left hand. So because of that, I'm going to have to glue that back on. So after the 2-week mark, I did lose the one nail. So maybe I didn't file enough, or maybe I didn't press down enough when the glue was on there. So I'm gonna try to put that back on here. And as you can see, my right hand is doing better shape wise, and the paint didn't come off. And you can see that my nails, like I said, they're growing out because my cuticle, there's space. That's the 2-week update. My right hand's doing pretty well, but my left hand looks kind of bad. So as you can see, the 20th is today, and I did this April 5th. Obviously the 12th is 1 week, obviously the 19th is the 2nd week, and we're a little bit after the 2nd week.
And then the third week is going to be the 26th. And lastly is going to be the May 3rd. So 2 more weeks to go, and we'll see what the nails look like after 2 weeks, or if I lose any more nails. So yeah, see you guys in the next update. So it says Monday, May 3rd. So it is May 3rd today. And I am so ready to take these nails off because they look so bad right now. As you can see, some of the nails look horrifying. Especially this one, the third one, because it lost its paint. Like the nail is there, but the paint came off the third nail, so it looks really bad. And then my first nail and second nail lost their shape a lot. So the pinky kind of remained the best on my right hand. So this is my left hand. And as you can see, it's kind of the same problem where like the first and second finger look so bad, and then the third and fourth finger kind of survived shape-wise, and then the thumb looks pretty good too, just like the other thumb. This thumb looks good too. My camera's just not focusing, but I hope you guys can see that the thumb doesn't look too bad. So overall, I'm gonna be honest, only 3 nails came off of my hand. So my thumbnail came off, my middle fingernail came off, and then my third finger came off. Fingernail came off, not finger. And I'm excited to take these off, so I'm just gonna soak my fingers in hot water and take these off because these look so bad. They literally look ridiculous now, and I just want them off as soon as possible. Especially this hand, like this looks so bad, ew. After taking my nails off, I don't apply new nails until like maybe a week or 2 because I don't want to damage my nail and I don't want to like file it again because it's probably still recovering. So that was the whole 4-month experiment of having your nails last a full 4 weeks or possibly even longer. So I hope this video helped you guys, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!